to Reverend Father Kelvin Ugwu, a Catholic priest on a mission to Gambia.
Where Reverend Father Kelvin Ugwu has been exposed after insulting Ebuka Obi.
Father Kelvin, sorry to tell you this. People like you are the problems of the Catholic Church and Christianity at large. I'm a Christian, a bona fide Christian, 100% Catholic. Man, people like you are the problems of the Catholic Church. Okay, for those I too know Reverend Fathers. Only wa biye na watele Catholic ajafa. Only wa biye na watele Catholic in culture. Only wa biye na watele Catholic akaje. And Christian community at large. And why people like me don't swallow line who can sing when I listen to you is because I'm a free mind. I'm a Catholic, I'm a Christian and a traditionalist. I'm a Christian and also a traditionalist. Jesus was a traditionalist. Jesus was born a Jew, practiced a Jew, died a Jew. That is their culture, that is their tradition. Jesus never changed religion. So me, changing religion does not bring me out from that Igbo tradition. Igbo tradition, now, when that issue of Ebafu Pope the skull of Saint Agatha, and when mixed feelings. Now you came out to defend the practice, which this is why you are trained to defend that faith, to defend the teaching, to defend the church. So you are doing your job. I have no problem with that. And me too, I have no problem with what Pope did. If it is the culture of the Catholic Church, let it be the culture of the Catholic Church. Now, you wrote many articles, many posts about, but one caught my eyes. About a tribe in Indonesia, in my research about. Here about the post. What about time Ghana page ago? I think he making this post 2 days ago or just about. So now that post, I took my time. It was one tribe when one meme haneme. It's not in the Torah joke again. No way one meme haneme. Na mmadụ nwụọ na befa na de nyiro onya ho na isi enyi. No we can carve for na rock or chofu ebe inye. After like 3 years or some years, no one done about 3 years. I just put on afọ. Now most times no go na afọ. If you just see on afọ, you just see on afọ years zibakwa. Dobie ndị mmadụ agbakọ no around family erikwa nni. Ekowa na why ha je me obro na ha na efe the person na efe, but not just to remember. Na their color, their culture, according to his law, their culture. Na ọnwa apolo ichefu onya na ya na-echitekwa onye afọ. It was that thing caught your attention with ye Pope maybe put a skull Saint Agatha. So according to you, no to remind in the dendo. Na that worship here worship. No honor and all that. I have no problem with that. Now, where caught my attention is you are using another tribe's culture, Philippine culture, to mark good the Roman Catholic culture, which is okay, which is good, which is their culture. Okay, what I go on and there, but this is your post 2025. This was your post, and you Igbo. This is you trying to demonize Igbo tradition. In this post, you are trying to protect Roman Catholic tradition. But this is you trying to demonize Igbo tradition. You make this post 7th of October 2025. There is nothing special about killing cow to bury anyone. Your dead parents or relative does not need your cow to rest in peace. If for anything, you are the one that is restless. Now, my dead parents does not need my cow to rest in peace. According to you, Father Kelvin, because now our tradition. Does Saint Agatha need us to bring out her skull? Does Agatha need us to worship and venerate her before she will rest in peace? It's a simple and harmless question. Igbo tradition say now your loved ones, especially your parents. Now they get naka, give up ụmụnna gị, chọọ ofu efi nyibe. Ụmụnna gị, ọbụna ya kwata dị anụ ebe ahụ, onye ọbụla ya ekele ya n'anụ ụlọ. Echete mgbe anyị pempe, my father na-abata owele anụ, na onwe ebe ekele anụ ebe a, na onwe ebe ekele anụ ebe, ebe ekele anụ ebe a. Igbo tradition wee say your own parents nwụọ, kpọọ ụmụnna gị, your kindred, ndị nwe gị, yibelu ha ofu efi ma ọ dị gị n'aka. Ọ bụkwa na ọ dịrọ gị n'aka udo, kabala onwe gị. Onwe ke bụrụ ụmụ ma ọ bụ ụmụ ka ọ ya emecha dị n'aka, except na ikwuzi na onwere ebe ka ọ dị your family n'aka na ya na-enye unu enye. now ọ bụrụ na inyebelo ya ọfada efi echekwana burial onye ọzọ kpụrụ efi kpuje because a na-esi n'ụlọ amarụ mma apụta ilo. Mgbe my father nwụrụ, one of my cousin wanted to give me cow. Ọ sị m na ọ ya nyelọ m na onye bebelo mpịa. I perfectly understand. Mpa ga-aya anwụrọ inyelọ mpa ga-efi mpa nke m nwụọ ibulu efi wee bịa. It's an insult to your ancestor. It's an insult to your dead father. All ndị a ka afụchara wee fụ. But during those period, Father Kelvin demonized that culture because not an Igbo culture. But here are you protecting a Roman Catholic culture. Maybe the culture you show me now not because you go father. If you go working at that alignment, so you have to protect everything that concerns manke water ho. Ehe na akuzi beef akuzi rigi. You put your know if but you got a free mind, which is okay. But it's still okay to live other people's culture, provided that that culture enwere onye omegide, onwere onye anarị anya n'ike, onwere onye emegbu, onwere onye egbu, onwere onye amarụ mma. Nobody is a victim. They live people's culture because what is culture? People's way of life. Can you see a map like in the Philippines? Ni Igbo culture, aya dem every 3 years. Aya born it onye nwụrụ anwụ, saa ya ahụ, ka anyị wee chetia. Aya dem na Igbo culture. Beautiful is their culture. There's nothing demonic about it. Culture I say, beautiful is our culture. We exchange cultural ideas. But once he put a father, sorry to use this word, once he put a man of God, a pastor, especially in the reverend father, and there I too know. Have everything about Igbo culture demonized. Man, have culture on the also. They were word. A good mark. I told one excuse. Man, have and this is the problem. The tradition that is in the world with church. That is why I got form pastor. They say no, maybe you are say now and maybe I will say maybe. Obri. Even the Bible, that you cannot kill the devil. Me can't stay the devil. If you know nega 7 more devils greater than him, mega attack. The same Bible I go. Man, see no maybe. So you may be too bad. Say ka you put soon eba mo ba ajo mo luchegi. Ajo mo na eba agabe ebe. Ebuka ajo mo. Inku abula ajo mo. Ajo mo ebe na since 1990. Before 1990 am ebe go set and die. Tell na set and die ibe. Father Kelvin, it is okay to protect, to preach and uphold what you believe, which is the Catholic faith, but at the same time allow others to practice their own, provided that nobody is hurt, nobody falls a victim, and nobody was tied. Allow people to practice their own. MSN too, the year of 2026. You too know, but again, ihe ni nwa bi ha choke maro. Ihe ni na-akụzi bụ ihe nke nwa chọọ ka ịkụzie. Ọ bụrụ ihe niile nwa ka ị na-akụziri. Ọ bụrụ ihe niile nwa ka ị na-akụzi. And ndị kụziri ga bụrụ ihe ha nwa ka ha kụziri gị. Ebe ịnwadobe ka ịnwadobe. After when I'm supposed to go, I have to go back to that your teaching about killing of a cow. At a time, some the reverend fathers and those people ask there's nothing wrong. But also go akwechi. Some go akwechi. Jesus Christ ana afanya. Messiah and the Catholic Church. Some get you be father mmadụ na-echi nube. Mmadụ kweketa asị na-akparị onye fada. Ọbụna fada na-akparị. Ọbụna fada na-akparị. Onwere fada gwanụ na-akparị. But allow people's culture to stay. Ọbụna eketo na abịakwa sị ndị Igbo anyị na-asụ abụrụgo mmehie. Na nke abụrụgo mmehie. Ndị wachibe St. Agatha na St. Stephen na St. Amam St. Agatha na St. Stephen. Mana mpamụ bụ Emmanuel izu akọ. Maru ka obi ndụ njezi enyi yi ewu ọjị isi na na-ezuzu mana every 2nd November ịkpọrọ nje na burial ground sim no all saints day eji ekpere ndị nwere anwụ ekpere mana ejem n'inyi nna m wụọ ọjị gbasara ya mmanya isi na fetish mana ebupụtazie skọl onye nwere anwụ ka isie ya ba awụọ isi yes no ihe dị right uche unu kwa anyị ncha na-akakwa ụka anyị abụrụgo ndị Igbo first before anyị abụrụ ndị ụka.
Thank you all for watching. Please subscribe, share this video, like and comment. Thank you and God bless you.